Morning grade 9s, welcome to the next lesson for today. I hope you coped with the advanced questions. To those of you who didn't, I'm going to go over question 5 and 6 now. The answers to question 1 to 4 will be uploaded for you, so you can have a look and mark your work. Please, 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 when I put up the answers, mark your work like you would do in class and do the corrections. And if there are questions, ask. Okay, let's look at question 5. 5a. Okay, 5a says factorize. That one was straightforward, and you would identify it as dots. You're probably thinking, what was difficult about that? Nothing. It's 5b that required a little bit of thinking. Okay, so that's what you would have for 5a. B. Using your answer in A, which means using this answer, and without the use of a calculator, determine the value of 2014 squared minus 2013 squared. Now what this question wants you to do is to apply your knowledge of factorization to a question like this. Remember, no calculator. How would you do it? You are factorizing. That's why they asked you to refer to question A. And if you think about it, 2014 is representing X and 2013 is representing Y. There's a difference. There are two terms and both of these have a power of 2, which makes them perfect squares. So all you had to do for question 2b is apply dots. So you have your two brackets. You have your first term, the square root of the first term will be 2014. Like you did here, the square root of x squared is x. So remember I said x is equal to 2014 and y is equal to 2013. So use your answer in A. You don't even have to look at the question. So A worked out to x plus y. So 2014 plus y, which would be 2013. Okay? And then the second part of the answer is x minus y. So x is 2014 minus 2013. And that's your answer. You can go further and add them, but you don't actually need to do it. All they wanted you to do was that. If you look at it, obviously, if you add here, 2014 plus 2013 doesn't require a calculator. So if you want to go there, it would be 4027. And that would be, what is this? 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer is 1. Which gives you 4027. So you can leave it there or you can stop here. This is the method that we are wanting without using a calculator. Right. I hope. How many of you had it right? Well, I can't see who actually has it right now, but well done to you if you did. Let's look at 6. The area of a square is x squared plus 6x plus 9. What is the length of the square? Give your answer in terms of x. I'm sure some of you are wondering, why is geometry brought into algebra? This is an application question, class. It's an application of factorization. Now let's go back to what factorization is. Factorization, to get the factors, what are factors? Factors are two values when multiplied goes into a certain number. So in other words, what factors or what values multiplied will give me x squared plus 6x plus 9? Why am I saying that? Now area, how is area linked to it? How is area linked to factorization? It's a square. Area of a square is side times side. So there it is there. You're bringing in the factors. If the area of a square, and we know a square, all 4 sides are equal. So whatever the side, all of the sides multiplied would give me that. How do I work it out? By factorizing. So therefore, x squared plus 6x plus 9. How would I find out what multiplied by each other would give me that? The only way you could do that is to factorize. And that breaks it down into a trinomial. All positive factors, x, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 6. You have to get the same value because a square has all equal sides. So you can't have different factors. So this is x plus 3, this is x plus 3. That is x plus 3, that is x plus 3. So to find the area of the square, it's x plus 3 times x plus 3, which will give you x squared plus 6x plus 9. Can you see? Maths is exciting if you know what you're doing. So there's an application question. I'll upload all of this put neat answers for you on Google Classroom, so don't stress. Okay, enjoy the rest of your afternoon.